The town of Wilson's 2-year legal battle with a popular Halloween attraction is becoming a costly one, and taxpayers are footing the bill.
News 4 Investigates examined a binder of legal invoices showing the town has spent hundreds of thousands of dollars defending itself against the attraction Haunted Forest and its owner. Our Rob Petrie reports.
What they kept doing made it harder and harder and harder and harder.
The dispute centers on Corey Quinn's Haunted Forest, an 18-day seasonal attraction featuring a corn maze, haunted hayride, and a haunted barn at his sister-in-law's 37-acre farm on BB Road. Some neighbors opposed it with concerns of noise, traffic, and bright lights. The neighbors contacted by News 4 Investigates declined interviews. Quinn says town officials used the complaints to unfairly target his business by piling on restrictions that forced him to relocate to Clarence.
I mean, some of the conditions, it was a laundry list this big.
Quinn is now suing the town, alleging the town's actions prevented Haunted Forest from opening in 2023. In the middle of the battle is the town's former code enforcement officer, Chris Jordan. He says in court records that town officials pressured him to shut Haunted Forest down.
And I remember telling them that as they wanted me to shut them down, I said, "You're going to get sued." And the response was, "We got deep pockets."
The town has spent more than $770,000 defending itself, according to invoices obtained by News 4 Investigates, an amount that surprised local resident John Steele.
That's a lot of money to spend on something that you may or may not win.
Current and former town officials testifying the town's actions were driven by neighbor complaints, alleging Haunted Forest did not follow restrictions in its permit.
The money, where it's coming from in the budget?
The current and former supervisors declined to answer questions after leaving a recent hearing in federal court. In a statement to News 4 Investigates, the town's outside law firm Phillips Lytle said it's defending the town's authority to make legal land use decisions that can impact quality of life. The firm adding, now more than ever, local governments are under attack. Haunted Forest launched in 2021 to help support a struggling family farm. Despite neighbors' objections, the town issued Haunted Forest permits in 2021 and 2022.
We made them jump through hoops. They did it. Anything I asked, they did.
Jordan was asked if the complaints had merit.
Maybe some of the noise. Is it constant? No. It happened once in a great while. You got to put up with it for 7 weeks, 3 times a week. And then it's over, it's done with.
I wish it would have turned out different for everybody around here.
Neighbors then accused Jordan of being too cozy with Quinn, tipping him off to complaints going out for a drink, considering a business venture offer from Quinn's relative.
Not too close. Did I get close to him? Yes. And I got close to a lot of people while I worked there. It's a small town.
Jordan resigned in August of 2022, citing the pressure from town officials as a factor. Months later, Jordan said town officials accused him of stealing permit money. The Niagara County DA charged him with multiple crimes, including petty larceny, corruption, and fraud. A jury acquitted him in less than an hour.
What was your life like?
It was torn upside down.
As for Quinn, he has no plans to return to the farm, even if he prevails in court.
Too far in, and I will never let it go. I will never let it go until justice is served.
Now, there's no end in sight with the federal and appeals court cases. Meanwhile, the town is declining to settle. We will continue to follow both of those cases. Rob Petrie, News 4 Investigates.